The next entry on 12, due from bank for office use. Due cash from bank for office is also a contra entry. The entry will be, the writing rough, debit what comes in, cash account, debit to bank account. Credit the giver is a contra entry. So now we have two contra entries, deposited cash into bank and withdrew cash from bank. Paid into bank is deposited cash. So we have done one example of contra entry, paid into bank or deposit cash into bank. So debit the receiver. Now cash is coming out from the business. It is a contra entry, and who is giving? Bank account. Since we have both account in the cash book, the posting will be on debit side as well as credit side in the respective column, cash column and bank column. Thus completely double entry system. So let's post date 12. Cash account being debited, so cash column. Opposite that is bank, so to bank account contra, and the amount is 600 in the cash column. So debit what comes in. On the opposite side, credit side, buy. Now who is the giver? Bank. So bank is the giver. Cash account will be posted. Contra 600 in the bank column. Thus completing double entry system is called a contra entry. There are two contra entries: deposit cash into bank and withdrew cash from bank. Next we have 13, issued a check in favor of Messrs. Arun and Sons for rupees 985, discount received 115. Now you are making payment by check. So credit the giver from your business account. Date 13. Check issued by Messrs. This is called Messrs. M oblique as Messrs means plural for Mr. Arun and Sons. Arun and Sons. And the check given for 985 in the bank column, and since discount was allowed by him or received by the business, in the discount column 115. Then we have paid into bank. It's a contra entry. Just now we've done on 9. So you can see that paid into bank means debit the receiver, credit what goes out. 16th, to cash account contra in the ledger folio column, and amount is 715 in the bank column. Same date on the other side, by bank account, by bank account contra 705 in the cash column, because cash is going out. Debit the receiver, bank column, credit what goes out when you deposit money. Then you have due cash for his son's birthday party, rupees 175. That means withdrawn cash from the business, and it is for personal use. So you open drawings account. 17. Cash is going out by drawings account. Which column? Cash column. 175. Then we have 18. Received a check from Naveen for rupees 380. Discount allowed 20. Check was with the bank on the next day. Now whenever you receive a check, you have to see when was the deposit. Is it on the same day? If it is on the same day, it will come in the bank column directly. To Naveen, debit the receiver, because bank is receiving. But if it is given on the next day or future day in the same month, then you will treat as cash transaction. So it will be to Naveen in the cash column. And later on when you deposit the check into the bank or you deposit in terms of cash, we pass a contra entry. So on 18, the check was deposited next day. It is treated as a cash transaction. To Naveen in the cash column, amount will be 380 and it will be a discount allowed of 20.